Hey guys, Adam from Metro Hobbies. Christmas is upon us once again, so it's a great time to get some Bandai products. Let's go through a buying guide, Christmas Bandai stuff. Alright guys, so we'll start off with the basics. Someone who has never done a model kit in their life has mentioned an interest in Gundam Bandai related products. What do we go for? Entry grade is where you want to begin. No tools required, great color accuracies, and really good kits. Fantastic buy, and on the cheap side as well. You can't go wrong. So for the person who is a little bit good with their hands, a little bit crafty, hasn't done any Bandai kits yet, but has a bit of experience under their belt with building things, what do we go for? We go for high grade. What many would call the standard grade, big range of kits, lovely scale at 144, fantastic way to get started in the Bandai journey. For the builder who is quite advanced, loves their Gundam, still we haven't got an idea what to go for, we go for master grade. Everyone's fan favorite. For this, my pick, Quanta Full Saber 00. Big sword, big shield, big kit, really awesome. They're gonna love it. Alright, so again, for the advanced builder, doesn't have as much room on their shelf, what do you go for? Real grade. At 144 scale, awesome articulation. These things are my perfect pick for the best grade. And out of the perfect pick, gotta go with the best Gundam, new Gundam, one of the best kits Bandai's ever made. They will love it. And what about for the young builder? Well, there's always the coveted Pokemon kits. Pokemon, the worldwide symbol of fun and joy. You can't go wrong with it. And there are so many different kits in this range, something to suit everyone's favorite Pokemon. And you could even try to catch them all, couldn't you? Now, for the builder who's a little bit more sci-fi related, you can't go past classic Star Wars. The picks from this, the old X-Wing, can't go wrong with it, and the new Boba Fett figure. This is an awesome figure. They will love it, no doubt. So all the kits we've gone through today, guys, are all fantastic. Don't require any paints, any glue to put together. Great for that. However, the bread and butter tool that you will need, old, humble side cutters. These designed specifically to remove the parts from the runners. Say if you're trying to use a butter knife or even your own hands, this is the one you want, and a good range we have here. Thanks for joining me for this little gift guide, guys. Anything you see here available on our website, metrohobbies.com.au. Check out our stores, Box Hill, Dandenong, and CBD store, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks a lot.